The universal set contains A. Only even numbers, B. All elements under consideration, C. Only natural numbers, D. No elements. Answer B. Which of the following is a subset of 2, 4, and 6? A. 2 and 5, B. 4 and 6, C. 1, 2, and 3, D. 8. Answer B. The complement of a set A written as A complement means A. Elements that are in A only, B. Elements that are in A and B, C. Elements that are not in A but are in the universal set, D. The same as A. Answer C. Which of the following sets are equal? A. 1 to 3 and 3 to 1, B. ABC and ABCD, C. 4 and 5 and 5 and 6, D. 1 to 3 and 1 to 4. Answer A. If universal set U is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 and set A is 1, 2, and 3, find A complement. A. 1, 2, and 3, B. 4, 5, and 6, C. 2, 3, 4, and 5, D. Empty set. Answer B.